Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So, I had to go to one of the big box stores and get a spark plug for our snowblower. And while I was there, just walking down the aisle, and something caught my eyes. And I had to stop, turn around, and go back and look. And this item was 50% off, and I was shocked to see it since my local big box store doesn't carry them. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and now we're going to put it together. Take a look at it. Let me show you what I bought.
Regulators, mount up.
So what we got was the 70th anniversary limited edition Weber kettle in hot rod yellow, right there. You can kind of make out what they would go for, and you see it was marked down 50%. My understanding is you could only get these at the box store via online, and then they were delivered there. This one must have been a customer refusal. So let's take a look at it. Hopefully we didn't get burned. anniversary of the Weber kettle in hot rod yellow. They actually made them in 4 different colors. This is their hot rod yellow. Let's see, they did Hollywood gray. They also have rock and roll blue. I have that one. That's the one I bought first. And then they also have dinner green. So they have 4 different colors. This thing is so pretty. I'm thinking this should just stay in here.
Oh, no. I think grills belong outside.
Always somebody that ruins the party, but I have to agree. This will end up going outside next to my rock and roll blue one. As you saw, that was half price, 50% off. It is a little bit out of round, but I think once we get it tweaked and stuff, it'll be fine. But there you go. Quite a find to get this for half price. Well, thank you for watching. Like I always say, you can look around and find these, and you saw how easy they are to put together. Until next time, my friends, grill on.